Hi, welcome to Retail Resource. My name is Lori. Today we'll be unboxing the oval counter mirror with Trumpet base, item 94545. I'm going to take my box cutter and slice open the end, the center, making sure to slice away from myself for safety and to not cut too deep into the box. Okay, the box is open. First thing we pull out is the thick paper packaging. Next, we're going to pull out the actual item pieces. I can tell we have the mirror and the bubble wrap. Looks like a frame assembly. Trumpet base. And more paper. Okay, now I'll unwrap everything and show you what we have. The Trumpet base comes packaged in this plastic bag. Then the mirror assembly. Slip off the plastic. The mirror assembly has an inner ring and an outer ring, and these come pre-attached. And then the next part is our mirror, which is covered in bubble wrap. I'm just gonna get my box cutter again. Slice open the tape. Okay. Then the mirror is also packaged in plastic bag. And you have a front and a back panel with protective paper in between. If you're interested in purchasing the oval counter mirror with Trumpet base that we unboxed today, please visit our website and enter item number 94545. To view videos or for more information, check out our YouTube channel or visit retailresource.com. Thank you for watching.